All animals reproduce. That's the baseline rule of life. From insects to elephants, the pattern is simple. Survive long enough, pass on genes, repeat. But humans are different. We are the rare species where biology didn't stop at execution, it went one step further and enabled interpretation. And that changes everything. From instinct to inquiry, most animals live entirely inside instinct. They eat when hungry, mate when driven, protect their young, and repeat the cycle. They act, but they do not ask why. A lion never wonders if hunting is meaningful. A bird never questions the purpose of building a nest. But humans do, because biology gave us something unusual, not just instincts, but questions. Curiosity that asks, what is this? What else is possible? Creativity that asks, what can I bring into the world that doesn't yet exist? Empathy that asks, what does another being feel? And self-awareness that asks, who am I across time? These traits allow us to step outside the biological script and look at it from the outside. That is a radical evolutionary shift. Think of biology like a script. For most creatures, the script is followed perfectly. No edits, no questions, no alternatives. But humans were given the ability to read the script. And the moment you can read it, you can decide whether to follow it exactly or reinterpret it. Self-awareness and choice. Self-awareness creates distance from instinct. The moment a being can reflect on its own urges, those urges stop being absolute commands. A human can say, I feel this impulse, but I choose otherwise. I can delay it. I can redirect it. I can decide what this means. This is why humans choose not to have children, delay reproduction for purpose, sacrifice comfort for art, faith, science, or service. Not because biology failed, but because biology succeeded too well. It created a creature capable of questioning biology itself. Empathy, beyond genes. Empathy pushes us even further. It allows us to care for people who share none of our DNA, to grieve strangers, to protect future generations we'll never meet. From a narrow genetic lens, this makes no sense. But from a human lens, it makes perfect sense. Meaning expands. It moves from my offspring to our world. That's why humans build hospitals, schools, and civilizations, not just families. Creativity transforms survival into significance. Shelter becomes architecture, sound becomes language, memory becomes history, and survival becomes story. Animals live within nature. Humans reshape nature symbolically and materially, not because we have to, but because we can. This isn't required for reproduction, it's required for interpretation. Yes, humans are animals, and yes, we reproduce. But biology also equipped us with tools that make us more than participants in life's cycle. Animals live life. Humans understand, question, and assign meaning to life. And because of that, purpose becomes plural, not singular chosen, not imposed dynamic, not fixed. Reproduction ensures the continuity of life. Interpretation gives direction to a life. Biology didn't just make us carriers of genes, it made us authors of meaning. That's why raising children can be one profound expression of being human, but it can never be the only one. Because a life well lived is not just continued, it is understood.